Hey y'all, welcome back to Valley Soaps YouTube channel. Tonight I am opening up a package here from Bulk Apothecary. This is actually the first order I have made with them. I ran a bath bomb pre-order in the VIP group just to kind of see if there is interest, and then if so, I was just going to go from there. But they're reliable and a reputable source, so I haven't looked at these yet. I've only opened it because I can't cover my address up with a sticky note, so I just went ahead and cut this open. So we're gonna open this together. And they sent it through USPS, and they actually, it only took like a few days. Let's see. Today is Monday, and I'm pretty sure I ordered late, really late, Wednesday night or Thursday night, so it didn't take long at all. Awesome. I like getting the paper and bubble wrap like this so I can reuse them for orders. Let's see. Okay. I can't wait to smell these, see what they smell like. So put my list over here. Okay. I wonder. Okay, yep. Awesome. So I appreciate how they package these. Each couple of bath bombs are wrapped in a couple of times with bubble wrap, which is nice. Take the tape off. I'll be saving the bubble wrap too, as I said. That smells really good. I definitely am getting cotton candy from this. I feel like there's more to it though. These are actually really heavy. I've never used a bath bomb before. I'm just not a bath person. But these are 5 ounces and they feel super heavy. You can tell they're really compact. Those smell great. Okay. So 2 cotton candy. Oh wait. Nope, here's the other 2. So 4 cotton candy is what we ordered. And then, what is this? Okay, this is going to be lavender champagne. I have no idea what this one could smell like. So I'm especially excited to smell this one. I thought all the fragrances, the description sounded really nice. Ooh, and if I had a tub, I'd probably order some for myself. You can smell. I'm getting the lavender, and then you get this smell of bubbly. Yes, that's nice. Whoops. So that's what these 2 look like. That smells good. I don't know if I can call it, if I would call it champagne, but she definitely smells something bubbly, effervescent. I think that's the word I'm looking for. Okay, this one, so we ordered 2 of the lavender champagne. These 2 should be Caribbean coconuts. Take all the tape off. Ugh. Okay, I can't get those off. Ooh. That sounds great. That's like I'm definitely getting tropical. Whoops. I smell tropical fruit. Yes, that's definitely a tropical coconut. I can tell. Alright, and then that's what those look like. We ordered 2 of those. The last one I wonder if this is Mermaid Kiss, and I wonder if this is going to smell anything like the Mermaid Kisses fragrance that I use for my mermaid soap, Mermaid Island. I wonder if it's going to smell anything like that. Yep, it sure does. Let me go grab that fragrance. I want to see if I can smell a difference. Hang on. Okay, so I'm pretty sure I already destashed that fragrance since I was done with it. But I do have a Mermaid Island soap bar. So this I used with Mermaid Kiss fragrance oil from Nature's Garden. So I'm going to compare the fragrance from Bulk Apothecary to Nature's Garden. In the bath bomb, it's definitely stronger. Yeah, they're very, very similar. I'm not sure which one I think I might like this one more because it is so strong. But I'm definitely getting more oceany vibes from this one. This one, I wish I could put my finger on it. But yeah, I think I like this one from Bulk Apothecary better. Oh, that smells great. Alright. So we got Mermaid Kiss, Cotton Candy, Lavender Champagne, and then we got Caribbean Coconut. So that's our order for today. Alright. So we will see y'all on Saturday for the soap making video. Bye.